This is a vertical bandsaw. Use it to cut raw materials like acrylic and aluminum down to a more usable size. The saw blade is a rotating band that moves at high speed. Always wear safety glasses when working on the machinery. And remember, don't wear loose clothing, tuck in long hair, and no jewelry and no gloves. Don't wear anything that could get sucked into the blade and ruin your day. Push the black button to turn the machine on, and the red one to turn it off. This is the fence. It is used to guide stock through the blade. Another method is to use a wider push stick that protects your hands while guiding the stock through the blade. This is the blade guide. Unlock it and use the adjustment knob to lower the blade guide. Not so low. Leave about 1/4 of an inch so that the stock can move freely under the blade guide. Turn on the light for better visibility. Now aim the blow-off nozzle so that the air will clear the shavings off the stock, but not get in the way. When you know what you're going to cut, take your stock to the bandsaw. But wait! Make sure your stock is at least 3 teeth thick for smooth cutting. Make sure the bottom of your stock is flat. Otherwise, the stock will roll and your hand could slip. Use the fence to guide the stock through the blade. Align your mark with the blade, careful to cut on either side of your line. When the material is cut, the saw blade takes off a blade width of material. This gap is called the blade curve. Applying gentle, steady pressure, guide your stock through. Be careful to keep your fingers and arms out of the danger zone. When the blade reaches the last bit of the stock, let up on the pressure. This stops your hand from jerking forward once the cut finishes. Don't do anything else before turning off the machine. Wait a few seconds for the blade to stop spinning before removing any small pieces. There are 2 other methods to cut stock. The first is a push stick. The other method is to freehand the cut. This is useful when the stock is too large to rest in the fence. If cutting in this style, make sure that your fingers are a safe distance from the blade. Be especially careful not to put arms or fingers in the danger zone. Clean up after yourself. Don't be sloppy. Leave the space cleaner than you found it. Clean the surface, then use the shop vac to clean the floor and any other surfaces the dust clings to. This only takes a couple of minutes.